This tutorial is for section S20, Equations of Horizontal and Vertical Lines, Algebra 1. In this section, they can ask you two different kinds of problems. They may give you the equation of a line and ask you, is the graph of this equation horizontal or vertical? Or they may give you a graph and ask you to write the equation of the line. So I'm going to walk you through both of these types of problems and then give you quite a few sample problems. So one thing you'll want to remember, if they give you an equation that has x equals a number, then you're talking about a vertical line. If they give you an equation that says y equals a number, you're talking about a horizontal line. So just with that information, you could quickly see how we can answer those types of problems. X equals a number, vertical. X equals vertical. X equals vertical. Sorry. Y equals horizontal, right? Y equals horizontal. X equals vertical. X equals vertical. So that rule will get you quite far, but you also need to know what it looks like on a graph, right? So for number 2, it says write the equation of this line. And it had a line here passing through the y-axis at 5, right? So if it is a horizontal line, remember it's going to be a y equals number, right? So what is that magic number? It's going to be 5 because that's where it's passing through the y-axis. Now the way that I keep this straight in my brain is I think it's all the places where y equals 5. So it's easy to get these two things flip-flopped. So if you think about it that way, all the places where y equals 5. So x is 0, y is 5. X is 1, y is 5. X is 2, y is 5. So it's all the places where y equals 5. So I don't know if that helps you, but that's how I try to remember it. And then if it's a long time between going back and doing these problems, I have to go back and remind myself of that rule. So if that helps you, hopefully it does. So number 3, x equals 3. So we glance back up here at our rule, vertical. Number 4, we have a line that is vertical that's passing through the -3 point on our x-axis. So it's all the places where x equals -3, right? So since it's a vertical line, it's going to be x equals, and then you just use that point there, x equals -3. Number 5, we have a line that's horizontal passing through -10. So since it's a horizontal line, it's a y equals, and then our magic number is -10 because it's all the places where y equals -10. Number 6, x equals 6 would be a vertical line. Y equals -9 would be a horizontal line. Number 8, we have a horizontal line at 6, so y equals 6 is how we would write the equation for this graph. Number 9, y equals 7 is a horizontal line. Number 10, we have a vertical line at -90. So a vertical line is going to be an x equals, and then that number is -90. Number 11, x equals -4 is vertical. Number 12, we have a vertical line at +90, so x equals 90. Number 13, we have a horizontal line at 2, so y equals 2. Number 14, y equals -50 would be a horizontal line, and x equals 50 would be a vertical line. And that's it.